In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two-step verification to your Notion workspace. This is a great way to add an extra layer of security to your account, ensuring that your information and your workspaces stay protected. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step so you can follow along with ease and confidence. First, you'll need to navigate to Notion. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and loading up Notion's homepage. Once you're there, ensure you've logged into your account. Having two-step verification is highly encouraged, especially for tools that you use frequently and rely on for managing important information like Notion. Once logged in, locate the settings menu. It's typically represented by a gear icon, which you're likely to find at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that to open the settings menu. In the settings, you'll want to find and click on your profile name. It should be prominently displayed, giving you access to your account's management options. By clicking on your profile name, you're directing the interface to focus on your personal account settings, which include security options. Now, the next step is crucial. You'll need to find the option labeled Add Verification Method. What this does is allow you to set up an additional form of verifying your identity alongside your password. Click on this option. It's an important feature because it significantly enhances security by ensuring that even if someone gets hold of your password, they still won't be able to access your account without the second verification step. At this point, Notion will prompt you to type in your current password. This is standard procedure, employed by almost all platforms that offer additional security options. Enter your password carefully to authenticate that you are the legitimate user of this account. Having verified your password, you can go ahead and click on the Continue button. Clicking Continue commits your changes and moves you to the next phase of setting up your two-factor authentication method. You may now follow the additional prompts from Notion, which typically involves setting up a form of verification, such as linking a mobile device or setting up an authentication app. And there you have it. You're well on your way to securing your Notion workspace with two-step verification. Be sure to save any backup codes provided and store them in a secure place. With these steps, you've added an extra safeguard, ensuring that your data and insights are well protected. Thanks for following along, and I hope this makes your Notion experience even better. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more handy tips and insights.